following commercial is a production of WDDK-FM, Dock 103.9, Greensboro, Georgia.
Late. I would just urge you to be a Facebook fan of Louis Heron Toyota. Everything that Chip and I are discussing, we record it and we repost it, so you'll be able to check it out there as well. So we're talking about some things that, well, there's no doubt you wouldn't know. If you weren't educated, you wouldn't know. But we're talking about the business office, and we're talking about things that are negotiable. Now, again, I prefaced that when we went to break by saying, be cautious. It may not sound like it seems when I say negotiable, because I'm sure most are thinking, oh, wow, you can go in there and just negotiate like a car and wheel and deal. Well, it's not exactly the same way as a car. Let me give you a great case in point. Most dealers, when they protect themselves by making sure they're presenting 100% of the products 100% of the time by what's the terminology is called menu presentation. Okay, it's basically menu selling, and if I could say it in any plainer term, it would be like McDonald's. So when you go to McDonald's, everybody realizes that if you buy a double cheeseburger, and that's it, I want a double cheeseburger. You come to the line, would you like fries with that? No, I'd like a double cheeseburger. Okay. $3.99 when you hit the window, please. All right? You go to the front, you pay $3.99 for a double cheeseburger, but then you scratch your head sometimes and you look and you go, man, if I was hungrier, if I got the fries and the combo meal, the combo meal's $3.25. How am I paying the same thing for the right, Chip? You tracking?
Yeah.
Well, the business office is very similar to that. A lot of dealers sell in packages. Because one product at a time truly becomes, it's cost prohibitive. It can be expensive. If you just went in there and said, so a lot of times what happens is, going back to the car deal, the reason why it's quote unquote negotiable is because, again, dealers get commissions on those products and they take the averages. So if they're going to sell a maintenance package and they're going to sell an extended service contract and GAP, they may sell GAP for cost. Okay, and got no commission on that, but they may sell the maintenance package, at $200 over, and then the warranty, they sell it for what the warranty cost is because of the menu presentation and where your budget was at. That's where you needed to be, but they wanted to include the product because you saw value in the products. So I hope that makes sense to everybody. You have to understand, sometimes, depending on the state, the business office, some of the products that are sold are regulated. Chip, did you know that?
I did not know that.
Like, for example, the state of Florida, you can't just sell warranties for whatever you want. But other states, you have a guide that you can sell a warranty for what you want. But what the banks will typically do is the banks banks look out for the consumers as well, and there's also consumer protection, consumer protection that goes on, that basically you can't sell a $1,500 cost warranty for $69.99. Okay, because normally a bank will say, listen, you can't market it more than its cost, twice its cost, basically. Okay, but the reality is a lot of it is, more times than not, is state regulated. Specifically when it comes to credit, life, and disability. That's a good example. If somebody wanted credit, life, and disability at my store, and they say, hey, I heard Louis on the radio. He said, hey, how much does that cost? $2,700 for credit, life, and disability. That's expensive. I want to pay you $2,000 for that. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Credit, life, disability is another product. It's regulated. You populate the car and what it is, and boom, that's the price that you have to sell it for. You can't move on the price. Does that make sense, Chip?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So when I say what products are negotiable, I know everybody, rubs their hands together and gets, ooh, goody, they get excited, but it's not a car. So you can't look at it the exact same way, but you sort of can. So here's how you do that. When you're presented a menu in the business office, which most of them will, when you start doing a la carte and you say, look, and then normally it's kind of like you got just like McDonald's, you got the preferred, you got the value package, and you got the economy, right? You may like item, number 1 on the first package, but you don't need anything in item 2, but maybe in item 3 you like the very last product. So when you start to a la carte that deal and kind of put it together in a menu fashion, now all of a sudden the business manager has the leeway to kind of work, because all he's working off, he's just going to get a commission regardless. So to him, that's the main thing, is he wants to make sure that he has what we call product penetration. We want to make sure that, obviously, if you're a consumer of ours, a maintenance package is important to us, because obviously if you're doing your maintenance at the dealership, that's more visits to the dealership, you're building a relationship, and the benefit to you is one of the biggest components of maintenance is oil. As crazy as oil prices have been, Chip, you know the deal. It's sometimes very advantageous to take advantage of what the maintenance package costs today, because just because oil escalates 9 months from now because something crazy happens in Iran, it's not going to affect your maintenance. You pay the same price because it's pre-negotiated.
I got you.
Okay? And again, the advantage is you can finance that in the package. You can finance that in your car deal, and the bank will allow that. I mean, keep in mind, you have to understand there's a certain level of protection when you go in the business office. If the bank won't finance it, they're looking out for you. In other words, they're not going to finance $38,000 on a $20,000 Corolla. Okay,
Gotcha.
So you have to understand that although you may have the jitters, you may be a little nervous and a little skeptical, it's all about the research, guys. It's all about the research. There's nothing bad going on in there. Everything is optional. And if you ever have a business manager tell you have to buy something, that's a lie. You don't have to buy anything. Okay, it's all optional. So don't ever feel like you have to do anything, because that's just simply not the case.
But it may be good for you, and don't assume it won't be good for you.
That's exactly right. And again, I'll share this with you, and again, in the most sincere way. Most dealers, and I'm giving everybody the benefit of the doubt, are reputable businessmen and car people, and they want long-term business. If they're really paying attention to their business, they're not going to offer you things that aren't good for you, okay? And I will tell you this. If they offered something and the next day you felt like, you know what, I feel like I was sold and, I'm thinking about it, most dealers, if you come back within 24 hours and you have an issue about, hey, I got the extended service contract, I just don't know if I need that, they'll work with you. I mean, if they won't, I think there's an issue there. If they haven't sent the paperwork off, you're in good shape there. So, anyways, those are the products that are available in review. That's the scenario that plays out and how those products are sold. Chip, did you realize that about the menu, kind of like McDonald's? Do you understand that analogy?
Yeah,
Does that make sense?
It's a very good analogy, and I didn't know you could pick A from package 1 and
Right.
C from package 3.
A lot of customers, they get presented a menu, and they see the economy, the value, the preferred, the silver, the platinum, the gold, whatever dealers call them, okay? And they just think, well, I like the platinum parts of it, but it's just too expensive. No, I'm good, thank you. And they don't say anything. Right. But if you just slow down and say, let me ask you something, okay? If I like the gap insurance because I don't want something to happen, and God forbid my car's totaled, but I don't want all this other stuff. But I may be interested in the extended service contract if it was a little cheaper. Can you work that out with me? I promise you, the business manager is going to say, you know what? Give me a second. Yeah. Let me see what I can do.
Yeah. Or maybe he'll be able to finance it a few extra months where your payments.
They can do a lot of different things, and with your good credit, your flexibility, banks would do a lot of stuff for us to help do things for you.
Very good. All right. Super Thursday with Chip and Louie. We'll be back with more in just a few minutes. Again, if you have a question for the car expert, Louie Heron, he's in the house. You can put it on Facebook, facebook.com/Doc1039, and ask your question. We'll get it answered for you today. 3 minutes after 4, we've got a weather update, news headlines coming on the Doc. Doc 103.9, the Lake Area's home of